So yeah, so I want to give you some news. Um, uh, Wet and Wild put their new eyeshadows on the website. It's really frustrating because I know that they have the new core line, and the cloud pouts were spotted at Walgreens, and finally they come up on the Walmart. Again, you have to Google it. You can't like put it in the Walmart. You can't put it on the Walmart thing and say, "Oh, Cloud Pal." Nope. You have to Google it, and then it links you to the Cloud Pal. It's just really crazy. And I keep asking them, for the past week and a half, like, you put up the new eyeshadows. They did Nude Awakening again. I think it's the fourth time. They kept, I think it was Walking on Eggshells as well. And I wasn't going to get it, and then I realized Walking on Eggshells went from a three pan palette to a 4-pan palette when they added the transition color, and now these are the five pan palettes that look just like the elf palettes that they have out. And then it's cute because the background is white instead of the black. They did Nude Awakening again, and from what I can see, it looks exactly the same, but I still might get it because supposedly it's improved. So that came out like probably the same day that I did my last video. But I kept messaging them on Instagram. I kept posting underneath their posts, commenting on their posts. When are you going to put Cloud Pout on? And I was they have an answer, and I'm like, are they trying to? I know they said Walmart's going to have an expanded Wet and Wild section. They've been saying this for months. And I've been to a couple of Walmarts, and I have not seen any expanded anything. They said only specific ones. The only difference I could see from the one that they said in my neighborhood is that I don't know. It has like a little extra section, but it looks like it's more display than anything else. I don't know. I haven't really seen anything expanded that I don't know. Except for the cleansing stuff. And anyway, so I was like, at first I got nervous. I'm like, are they going to make Walmart exclusive again? Because nothing's changed at Walmart. The website is still a nightmare to deal with. But anyway, I kept checking for the Cloud Pouts. I'm waiting. What I'm waiting for to place an order for the new line is that for have the entire new line. I think I could get free shipping if I just get the eyeshadows, but I just would like to just get it all at once. But anyway, I kept checking, and then finally it said it was available, but you have to go in store to get it. I went in store the day before New Year's Eve, and nothing. It said they had it there, and nothing. And then Saturday night, which was the first, they started posting. Thank goodness they brought the hashtags back on Instagram. And so they started posting that at their Walmart there is an end cap display with all the new 2021 Wet n Wild core line. So I got a little bit anxious. That was Saturday night. Some Walmarts have already put it up. I was just, New Year's Day I was exhausted. Had I known Saturday, I would have stopped at my Walmart. But I didn't find out till Saturday night. I did a grocery Saturday, and then Saturday night I found out I would have, because I shop at HEB, I would have went to Walmart to check it out. But it's still saying that they have the Cloud Pounds and that nothing has been purchased yet. I checked yesterday. They say there's 2 of each available. So I checked, I think last night, and it was still saying 2 of each available. I don't think that my Walmart did put it out. They may have put it out over the weekend, and since the website's ridiculous, maybe they didn't post it, they haven't posted what's been purchased. So I was feeling a little bit anxious, and I was thinking, since I did my makeup, maybe I'll pass by. But honestly, my body is aching so bad from cleaning every day, every day. I just wanted, not just, I invited my brother because I kind of feel guilty. I feel like a burden that he did both Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I was feeling kind of guilty, and I'm like, not only that, but I don't want to come into the new year with a house that hasn't been cleaned since my hand got hurt for 6 months. So me and my daughter and my son, I did my bathroom. My daughter did her bathroom. My son, we all helped out in the kitchen, and we vacuumed, and my husband got the steam cleaners to come. I thought they wouldn't come. It was the day before New Year's Eve. I did not believe they would come, because I asked them once or twice and he wouldn't come during the holidays, but my husband got them to come, and they steam cleaned the place, and it just felt so good welcoming in the new year with with a clean house. But my hand has been hurting. The last time I wore my wrap was Christmas Eve, and I think I left it in the car. So when I was in the car on Saturday, I didn't really do look for it, but I think that's where it is, because I can't find my wrap, and my hands been hurting, and sometimes you just need two hands to do things. I did my best to not use my left hand, but I've just been, not just that, but my knees just are a mess right now. My hips, my thighs are just throbbing from pain. My hand is extremely sensitive. So my body's been aching. But I'm still thinking about it. It's, I think right now it's early afternoon. But, yeah, it's early afternoon. So I'm still thinking about, just running out there and seeing if they put out that display. But to be honest, I would have really preferred to just get everything at the Wet n Wild website, because if it adds up to 100, I can do the 6 months to pay thingy. So I'll see what I'm gonna do. But I just wanted to let you know that Walmart is supposed to have this end cap display, and all the finally Wet n Wild core line is gonna be up. And I do believe that they also have a Physicians Formula display with some of the Physicians Formula new stuff, like supposedly their butter bronzer. They made a matte one. I thought it was always matte, but I don't know. So supposedly they got a couple of new things for that as well. I think they might have a face mist as well, butter bronzer face mist. So someone saw that display as well. One of the things that's bugging the crap out of me is that Lip Smackers. This is all Mark Wynn. Lip Smacker showed a picture of this really pretty palette and some lipsticks. Usually, they have little girl stuff, little girl type of makeup. But this was very much grown up, and I was like, wow, that's really nice. Walmart exclusive. It's like these guys, that's one of the, I guess, effects of COVID. Wet n Wild has gone back to their, we don't want to get stuck with a lot of product mentality. And I think that's why they've been, doing Walmart exclusive type stuff. But the Cloud Pouch was spotted at Walgreens. So I'm pretty sure when all the stores get up their they reset. When all the stores do their resets, I'm pretty sure the core lines will be there. I know when I was at HEB, I saw the girl that, that does all of that, and she said so far nothing. But usually you'll see the resets up by the end of February. So between now and the end of February, the stores will have the resets, and I'm pretty sure the core line will be there. So I'm not anxious. I'm actually feeling pretty peaceful this new year. I decided I'm just gonna rest this week. I do have an appointment for my glasses on Friday. The doctor said he's willing to see me, not make me pay again like they were trying to get me to do for the glasses, and to see what's going on. Because I don't think it was him. I think it's the labs that just aren't. Because it's like the fourth or fifth time I'm trying to get glasses, and like the labs, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the same labs from JCPenney, but anyway. So I'm gonna try and rest as much as possible this week. Like I said, I just might run out to the Walmart and come back. Parking has been pretty rough. Walmart doesn't have any putt-putts. It's ridiculous. They've only got like 5 working ones. It's just absolutely ridiculous. I know the one by me, they one time I saw like 30 just put aside because none of them were working. Like, hello, you're a multi-billion-dollar company. You could afford to buy new ones or fix these. But anyway, so I'm not in a rush to go to Walmart and check it out. So, let's see. I know as you saw in my pictures, I gained a lot of weight, and ever since I had the surgery, I feel like all the fat is going here and into my thighs. Like, my fat needs to just go wherever there's hanging skin, except my boobs. There's not hanging skin there. Why are my boobs? It makes no sense. But anyway, so yeah, I was like embarrassed to show it, but I wanted to put something up. I said I would do a video, and I just wanted to put something up. So yeah, that's it. And hopefully by next week the new stuff will be out on the website, or my Walmart will have it or something. So may 2021 be a much better year than 2020. Okay, love you all. Mwah.